In the ever-evolving narrative of interior design, the modern home has taken on new identities: urban apartment, microloft, eco-conscious bungalow, compact condo. These spaces speak of minimalism, efficiency, and intent. But within their limited square footage lies a powerful opportunity for artisans and creators, the chance to craft stunning furniture that doesn't just fill space, but transforms it. This is the overwhelming yet exhilarating challenge of woodworking for small spaces, a craft where precision meets creativity and where the smallest corner can carry the weight of functional beauty. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of stunning woodworking furniture craft design ideas for modern small spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. For the modern woodworker, designing for compact spaces is not a restriction. It's an invitation. An invitation to reimagine scale, purpose, and form. Gone are the sprawling dining tables and oversized credenzas. Instead, enter the world of multipurpose furniture, foldable pieces, vertical installations, and seamless built-ins. Every inch counts. Every design must consider not just aesthetics, but utility, flow, and adaptability. And yet, this demand for function births a deeper kind of artistry, one that draws from problem-solving as much as it does from visual harmony. At the heart of this movement is the idea that furniture should serve people, not the other way around. Small space woodworking requires the maker to deeply understand the rhythms of daily life. A piece cannot simply exist to be admired. It must contribute. A narrow entryway bench becomes a shoe rack and storage space. A wall-mounted desk doubles as a dining nook. A side table slides under a sofa and acts as both laptop stand and coffee shelf. These are not compromises. They are innovations that turn limitation into possibility. This kind of woodworking demands more than technical skill. It calls for empathy. The craftsman must step into the shoes of the person who will live with the piece. How will it be used in the morning rush, in the quiet of evening, on weekends, or in moments of rest? What is its emotional presence in the room? Does it invite ease, offer flexibility, and still hold the quiet elegance that defines handcrafted wood? It's in answering these questions that woodworking for small spaces becomes a kind of architectural poetry. Unlike mass-manufactured items designed to fit a broad demographic, custom-crafted pieces for small homes can reflect individual stories and unique spaces. The sloped corner under the stairs becomes a reading nook with custom shelving. The empty space between a window and closet transforms into a vertical pantry. A single board of oak or walnut becomes the heart of a home, not through size, but through meaning and placement. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of creating these pieces can be overwhelming. Every choice must be intentional. Wood selection becomes more than an aesthetic decision. It must also account for weight, durability, and workability in tight corners. Joinery must be clean and precise, often hidden or collapsible. Finishes must be low VOC and long-lasting, given the closeness of furniture in small living quarters. Even packaging and delivery must be considered. A small apartment may not accommodate bulky freight delivery, so flat-pack design or on-site assembly becomes part of the creative challenge. But this challenge also builds a profound kind of skill in the woodworker. It sharpens the eye. It fine-tunes the hand. It hones the discipline of restraint, knowing when to embellish and when to let the material speak for itself. It also reinforces a deep respect for wood as a living medium. In small spaces, light matters more. Texture is more visible. Every surface is touched more often. In this way, the natural warmth, grain, and aging of wood become active elements in the life of the piece. They aren't hidden, they are celebrated. From a market perspective, the demand for small space woodworking is not just growing, it's exploding. Urbanization, the rise of remote work, and the global minimalist movement have created a hunger for intelligent design. People want beauty in their homes, but they also want functionality that makes their lives easier. A handcrafted wooden Murphy desk that folds away at the end of the day is more than decor, it's a lifestyle enabler. A modular bookshelf that expands as a collection grows becomes a partner in the homeowner's journey. These are pieces that sell not because they are large or grand, but because they are right. This shift also presents an enormous opportunity for artisans who value sustainability. Small space furniture often requires fewer materials, allowing for more responsible sourcing and efficient use of reclaimed wood. It aligns with the eco-conscious mindset of modern buyers who value story, sustainability, and craftsmanship over brand names and quantity. Each piece becomes a quiet rebellion against throwaway culture, a handcrafted reminder that fewer, better things can carry more meaning. Social media and e-commerce platforms amplify this possibility. A single image of a cleverly designed compact table, beautifully lit and authentically presented, can spark thousands of shares and inquiries. The appeal is universal. The audience is wide, and the conversation it starts about space, purpose, and craft resonates in homes and minds across the globe. And yet, what makes woodworking for small spaces truly overwhelming, in the best sense, is the emotional impact of it all. These pieces live close to people. They are not tucked into guest rooms or rarely used formal spaces. They are touched daily, leaned on, opened, moved, transformed. They hold coffee cups, charging cords, children's drawings. They absorb the sounds of laughter, the weight of backpacks, the rhythm of morning routines. They become part of a family's texture, a friend to their moments. Few crafts can claim that level of intimacy. In the hands of a mindful woodworker, small space furniture becomes an offering. A way to say, I see you. I see your life. I've made something that fits, not just your room, but your rhythm. That is no small thing. That is art at its most humane. In conclusion, woodworking for small spaces is far more than a practical craft. It is a deep creative practice. It requires precision, empathy, and innovation. It challenges the maker to think beyond beauty and into function, to consider every grain of wood not just for how it looks, but how it lives. In return, it offers extraordinary rewards, not just in sales or recognition, but in the quiet knowledge that your work is part of someone's daily life, making their home feel more like home, no matter its size. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning woodworking furniture craft design ideas for modern small spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.